are going to love the 2016 Audi A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology, Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.